Hi, fifth graders. So we're going to do our first fluency for Module 2. So you need to have your yellow spined practice book. Open up to Module 2. I ripped out everything that was in Module 1 and put inside my math folder. So now our first sprint is actually Lesson 2 of Module 2. So this is Grade 5, Module 2 now. I'm on page 43. Today we're going to be using page 43 and 45. So I kind of like this one. It's like a throwback. Look at what we're going to be doing. It says multiply by 10, 100, and 1,000. So, I remember doing this. We used our place value chart and multiplying by 10 shifted everything over one spot, getting larger. Multiplying by 100 shifted everything over two spots, getting larger. And then multiplying by 1,000 shifted everything over three spots, getting larger. So let's use that today to help us see what we can do. Try and refresh your brains. So you need to have your pencil ready on page 43. Page 43. So remember my expectations for this, just try your best, stay focused the whole time, and your goal is to improve on that second try. So we have 1 minute. If the timer stresses you out, just skip ahead to the answers, pause, work for 1 minute, and then when you're about done, come check the work with us. All right, let's get started. Ready, set, think. All right, put an X below the last problem you were able to solve. And let's check our work. So only put a check mark if you got it wrong. If you got it right, you don't need to do anything. Starting on question 1. 90, 900, 9,000, 80, 800, 8,000, 80,000, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000, 700,000. I'm on question 13. 20, 300, 320, 40, 500, 540, 370, 840, 8,400, 84,000. I'm on question 23. 73,000, 600, 6,000, 60,000, 6,500, 65,200, 34,200, 80,000, 800,000, 860,000, 867,000. On question 34, 492,000, 340, 6,290, 9,400, 23,800, 47,000, 294,000, 17,400, 285,000, 95,100, 129,000. All right, how did you do? Count up your number correct, and then take a look, see if you can find any patterns. All right, pause if you need more time counting up your number correct. Now I'm looking at patterns. I've noticed something when I was reading it off. For the first 3 problems, they all start with 9, but the number we are multiplying by gets larger by 10 each time. So it's 10, then 1,000, or sorry, 10, then 100, then 1,000. You're increasing 10 times each time. So my answer then grew 1 place value each time. It was 90, then 900, then 9,000. And the same thing happened on the next chunk. We had 8 and 80, so different, but the times 10 was the same. So I had 8 times 10, I add a 0. 80 times 10, I add a 0, because it bumps it up one place value when I do that. Then same thing, I had 80 times 10 added a 0, times 100 would add 2 zeros, times 1,000 would add 3 zeros. Similar to what happens down below with the sevens also in questions 8 through 12. All right, take a pause, look at this if you need to kind of see what other patterns you might find. And then when you're ready, play the video and we're gonna do side B. So make sure you're on the right page, it's page 45. Lesson 2, sprint B, same thing. Multiplying by 10, 100, and 1,000. All right, get started inside B, pencils at the ready, and begin. All right, put an X below the last problem you're able to solve, and let's correct. Starting on number 1, 80, 800, 8,000, 70, 700, 7,000, 70,000, 60, 600, 6,000, 60,000, 600,000, 30, 200, 230, 50, 400, 450, 730, 480, 4,800, 48,000. I'm on question 23. 37,000, 500, 5,000, 50,000, 5,600, 56,200, 43,200, 70,000, 700,000, 760,000, 765,000. On question 34, 942,000, 740, 2,690, 4,900, 32,800, 37,000, 924,000, 14,700, 825,000, 65,100, 192,000. All right, how did you do? Count up your number correct, and how many did you improve by? Good job, everyone. Bye.